In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve Gemini responses. When you want better answers from Gemini, the quality of your prompt makes all the difference. Think of it like giving clear directions to a helpful expert. The more precise your request, the more targeted and useful the result will be. Let's walk through a simple approach you can reuse every time you ask Gemini for help. Start by being specific. Say exactly what you need, what to include, and what to leave out. Instead of "tell me about marketing," try explain 3 beginner-friendly email marketing strategies for a small local bakery, focusing on increasing repeat customers. Mention any must-have points or sections up front so Gemini knows your priorities. Next, add context. Tell Gemini who the audience is, the goal, and where the output will be used. For example, this is for a busy bakery owner with no marketing team, and the content will be used in a weekly newsletter. Context lets Gemini tune the depth, tone, and examples to fit the situation. Define the format you want. If you need a list, ask for numbered steps. If you need comparison, ask for a concise table and name the columns like strategy, cost, effort, expected outcome. If you want a final checklist, say so. Clear formatting instructions reduce cleanup time later. Set a role for Gemini to adopt. Roles influence voice and structure. You might say, act as a patient teacher, think like a senior developer, or write as a persuasive copywriter. This helps Gemini choose the right terminology, pacing, and level of detail. Add constraints to control scope and style. You can set a word limit, tone, and level. Such as, keep it under 180 words, friendly and encouraging, suitable for beginners. You can also specify reading level, region, or style rules like avoid jargon or use active voice. Give examples to anchor expectations. A short exemplar clarifies the target. For instance, example headline style, freshly baked right to your inbox. Aim for that warmth and brevity. Examples act as a North Star when requests are nuanced. Finally, refine the prompt after you see results. Treat this as a conversation. Ask Gemini to adjust. Make it more concise. Add a step-by-step plan. Replace generic tips with bakery-specific actions, or include a 2-sentence summary at the end. If part of the answer is close, quote that section and say exactly how to tweak it. Put it all together and you'll consistently guide Gemini to produce clear, tailored, and immediately usable responses. Practice this flow, and with each iteration, your prompts and outcomes will keep getting sharper.